अननोइंगली आप इतनी बड़ी गलती कर रहे हो जो कि आपके एसीसी रिजल्ट्स को तो इम्पैक्ट करेगी ही, साथ ही में वो आपको भी धीरे धीरे डिस्ट्रॉय कर रही है. गाइस, आई हैव चेक सो मेनी एसीसी मॉक पेपर्स एंड वन कॉमन मिस्टेक विच आई हैव नोटिस विच अ lot of ACCA students are doing right now. I am going to discuss that in this video. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Norin Khatri. I am an ACC affiliate and I like to talk about topics which is going to impact your ACC journey. Guys, this video is going to be very important for you all because in this video I'm going to talk about one mistake which each and every one of us is doing right now, that is over depending upon AI. Yes, AI is ruining you, AI is ruining your ACC result, and in this video I will explain how and why and what should be your solution for this. Now let me tell you your own scenario right now. Now just suppose that you are going to give FR in September 2026 attempt. You have somehow completed your syllabus, and after completing your syllabus you are going to start with your Kaplan kit practice. Now you are starting with section A and you just try to read first question, and after reading the question your mind goes blank. You feel like the language which is there in that particular question is very difficult to understand. Now what you do, you just take your phone and take photo of that question and you upload it on the chat gpt. Now chat gpt gives you the exact correct answer. You read the answer and you move to the second question. Now you are going to do the same thing for your second question also, that you are not able to understand. You just take help of chat gpt. Chat gpt gives you the exact correct answer and you just move to another question. Guys, this is the story of each and every student right now, because you know what happened. We are given this AI tool in our hands and it is very good. It is not letting us use our brain, and instead we are over depending upon this AI application for our every task which we do in our day to day life and even for our studies. Now you will be like, yes, Norin, we are doing this, and what is wrong in this? Now let me ask you one question. अगर आपको आपका एसीसी का एग्जाम देना है एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस एग्जामिनेशन आपको अगर कोई क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आता है, देन आपके पास में चैट जीपीटी होगा फॉर द हेल्प और नॉट? द आंसर इज नो. You need to solve that question in your examination. You need to use your brain, the concepts which you have studied, the syllabus which you have studied, the practice which you have done. सो सपोज अगर आपने एक भी क्वेश्चन या फिर आपने क्वेश्चंस में आपका ब्रेन यूज नहीं किया है, या फिर आपने क्वेश्चंस को डिकोड करने की इतनी सी भी मेहनत नहीं की है, देन इन योर एग्जामिनेशन हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू सॉल्व समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी अनएक्सपेक्टेड, विच यू डोंट रियली नो लाइक उसका आंसर क्या होगा, एंड हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू पास दैट एग्जामिनेशन जिसके लिए आपने इतनी ज़्यादा एग्जामिनेशन फीस पे की है, and you have done the coaching and you have done everything which is important for clearing the examination. If you're over depending upon something which is available right now for free of cost, but during your examination you will not be getting that particular thing, now how are you going to clear your ACC paper? Now understand one thing, I am not asking you to stop using AI completely. I am just asking you to stop using ChatGPT or any AI for getting quick responses. Why? Because you really need to understand the logic behind a particular question, how the examiner is going to give you marks, what the examiner expects from you, and how can you solve a particular question if it comes in a twisted manner, and if something different comes in your examination, how are you going to use your logic and decode that particular question. And guys, sometimes even AI is not able to give you the correct answer. Now suppose if you are practicing MCQs and there are four options and AI gives you something which is like completely opposite to the correct answer, but still if you are not checking like what is the logic behind that, and if you are not going through the examiner answer, you are not going through what the examiner wants to say about that particular question, then you are making a big blunder. Completely depending upon AI is something which you should not do. Now you might ask me, Norin, if we don't use AI, then won't we fall behind? Everyone right now is talking about AI. Every company wants to integrate AI with their applications, and everyone is going crazy behind AI. Then you are saying us that don't use AI. Are you kidding with us? The answer is no, guys. You should know how to effectively use AI for your studies, how to use AI that do not reduce your intellectual power, and you get what you want from it. And there is a huge difference between using AI as an assistant and completely depending upon AI for getting your answers. And guys, right now you need to train your brain, you need to solve questions in a way where where you are going to develop skills which you can use for your ACC examination. Guys, one AI tool which I absolutely love. The very first thing, this video is not at all sponsored. The tool which I'm talking about is NotebookLM, Google NotebookLM. Now guys, if you are a student, if you are an ACCA student, then this AI tool is going to be super effective for you. If you have not heard about this, let me tell you what it does. You can upload PDF, books and any content. You can even upload YouTube links in this AI tool, and after you upload a particular source or content, you can ask questions from that particular content. Now suppose if you have uploaded your Kaplan study text, okay, and if you are not able to understand a particular concept, then you can ask this NotebookLM to explain that particular complex area in very simple words. There are so many features available in this AI tool like mind maps, flashcard, etc., which are very effective if you are a student, which will help you a lot for your exam preparation. Now you will be like, Norin, you said that AI is going to reduce your intellectual power. Then how this AI is different? Guys, I am not saying that you should completely depend on any sort of AI, okay? This AI, particularly NotebookLM, is not a shortcut. It is going to be an assistant. Now suppose आपको एक टॉपिक समझ में नहीं आ रहा है एंड यू थॉट कि इसको तो पूरा मेमोराइज करना पड़ेगा ताकि इन केस एग्जाम में आता है आई कैन राइट दिस थिंग बाय मेमोराइजिंग इट. नथिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, बट स्टिल आपको उसको मेमोराइज करना पड़ रहा है एंड एवरी टाइम यू जस्ट ट्राई टू रिकॉल दैट पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेप्ट, यू जस्ट फॉरगेट इट, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली बात है आप इतने सारे कॉन्सेप्ट मेमोराइज नहीं कर सकते हो. बट इफ यू आर यूजिंग NotebookLM टू गेट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेप्ट या फिर कोई भी AI एप्लीकेशन जिससे आप अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंक्रीज कर रहे हो, दैन इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग. बट अगर आप कोई AI एप्लीकेशन यूज़ कर रहे हो ताकि आप आपकी किट जल्दी से फिनिश कर सको एंड स्टार्ट विथ अनदर किट, then it is something which is going to reduce your chances to clear your ACCA results. So guys, you should understand what is good for you and what is not. And there are many other AI applications also. And also Google LM में एक फ्लैश कार्ड का ऑप्शन भी है. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know how much I pressurize and focus upon active learning. So flashcards are something which will help you revise a particular concept very effectively. You should use flashcard to recall the concepts. अगर आप कोई flashcard use करते हो and if you try to recall the concepts properly, then आपकी retention rate बहुत अच्छे से increase हो जाती है. So that is the thing. आपको अपने आप को analyze करना चाहिए. आपको पता होना चाहिए कौन सी चीज़ आपके लिए अच्छी है, कौन सी चीज़ आपके एग्जाम रिजल्ट को रिड्यूस करने वाली है. एंड गाइज, एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाउ वेल यू आर एबल टू यूज़, हाउ वेल यू आर एबल टू यूज़ दैट AI टूल. एंड इफ़ यू आर ओवरली डिपेंडिंग अपॉन समथिंग, देन डेफिनेटली कोई भी चीज़ आप ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हो, देन हमेशा वो नुकसान देती है. सो दैट इज़ द थिंग विच यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड. एंड गाइज, जस्ट प्रैक्टिस प्रॉपरली फॉर ACCA result. Practicing is only the thing which is going to help you clear your ACCA result. So guys, that was it for this video, and if you liked it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye and take very good care of yourself.